Good? Well, technically it's afternoon right now. Afternoon, everybody. What's going on right now? Who do we have first in the chat today? We've got Dark Bro first, Pudgy second, Pudgy, Dark Bro, King Mamba, Dark Bro, Pudgy, King Mamba, Dark Bro, Next Level Caesar, Dark Bro, Pika Power, Next Level King Mamba, Pika, Cedarwit, Pika. We get King Mamba, Dark Bro, Pika, King Mamba, Keith, King Mamba, Pudgy, Paul. We've got Dark Bro, Kalani, Gorilla, Paul, Bronson. Bronson, I think you can change your name. I don't know. How long does it go till? Oh, all the way till Friday. I like it. King Mamba, Patrick, Gorilla, King Mamba, Dark Bro, Bronson, Nick F. What's going on? You're late, Nick F, not me. Pika Power, King Mamba, Paul, Mr. Simon. We got Paul, King Mamba, Paul, Mr. Simon, J Bones, Mr. Simon, Lorenzo, Paul, Mr. Simon, Paul, Dark Bro, Gene, King Mamba, Roulette Wheel, Declan, Healy. We got Franchise and Dark Bro. My goodness, everybody's in here loving it already. Let's see what the market is doing because it is down today. We've got AMC down 4.05%, 3.96%, sitting at $6.40. Shiba Inu coin, 3.58% higher today, at 1,289 points right there. GameStop is down 0.67%. $28.13. The QQQ coming down pretty heavy this morning. It was actually up about, I think it was up about 1% this morning. 282.07 did nothing but fall. Came down here and is sitting at 276 flat at the moment, trying to level off and hit some support down in this area at 275 to 276. We've got the NASDAQ doing the exact same thing as the QQQ, gapping up this morning and coming down ever since. GameStop down 0.70, Bior Therapeutics up 2.68, AMC down 4%, Ethereum is down slightly, 0.02% right now. Shiba and Doge looking very strong. Bitcoin sitting at $20,438. Sundial 0.61% lower. Mullen Auto losing Dude, Mullen Auto is wild, man. Mullen Auto already back down to 42 cents, down 10% on the day. These guys can't. I don't even know. I don't even know if they could buy a gain. CEI sitting at 13 cents. The SPY, $384. BBIG, 91 cents. Highcroft Mining, 68 cents. Netflix, $290. Terra Luna Classic, 22,900 points per coin. QQQ, 275.73. Back on its way down. And Ape is sitting 4.88% lower right now. Let's watch the overall market for a minute and see what happens there. We are on a downturn at the moment. We'll see if it plays out. Shiba Inu coin also pulling back slightly. Morning, King. Oh, good morning to you, G. She was calling King Mamba King. Now I get it. I thought she was calling me. Never mind. A wrench for my jester. A wrench for my jester. Wrench for my jester. Man, if everybody in here is gonna go from green to blue, Gene White is the only gray. Oh, nope. Richard's Crypto is also a gray name. I thought Gene was the only gray name, but nope. Richard and Gene are both gray. Who's a H-O? I don't know. Me? I don't care what anyone else says. My name is the best. Roulette wheel? Your name is the best, man. Your name is the best. Jerry, get my friend request in the Discord, possibly. Have you of Volt Inu Crypto be very bullish in the next quarter? Richard, I have heard of Volt Inu. Yes, I do not own any Volt Inu. I think you might have missed a verb in there. Have I what? A Volt Inu. Have I of any? Like, do I have any Volt Inu? Or have I heard of Volt Inu? Either way, yes, I've heard of it, but I do not own any of it. Morning King Clay. Yes! GDP, love it. Clay, check out TCDA Chiquidia as a huge gap to the upside. Does it mean it will get filled? Trading at 33 cents right now. Simon, some people will tell you, yes, it is guaranteed to gap fill. TCDA. Let's see it. Let's see what we're looking at. Good news is, let's see why they did. Oh my God, man. Okay. This one of two things is occurring here. This is a massive gap. This is a massive gap, Simon. I don't even imagine that this would be dilution. I can't even imagine that they would be able to dilute the company this much So I can't imagine that this is any form of dilution. This has to be some sort of a pharmaceutical company that literally is getting sued for killing people. It's going from $10, dude. $10.70 to 30 cents. Okay, yeah. So apparently they had some failed trials for a peninsula kidney drug. I don't know why I'd opened this article over here. Company had hoped to translate positive late-stage study results into more money, which has dwindled since the FDA forced it to revamp its study 2 years ago. That's all this article says? Well, that's a terrible article. My goodness, man. What a terrible article that was. So, yeah, they had some kidney drug candidate that just got destroyed, man. Nobody lets you read these articles. Is it going to gap back up? My guess would be probably not. My guess would be you're going to see a reverse split here. My guess would be you're either going to see them go out of business or you're going to see some sort of a reverse split. It's a devastating loss, dude. Going from $10 all the way down to 30 cents. My goodness. 55 million. What's their market cap here? Free float market cap, $17 million. $18 million market cap. They literally have no revenue. I doubt it, dude. I doubt it. If they were banking on that drug and they literally have no other prospects, I find it very hard to believe that they would be able to fill that gap there. Especially with no revenue, dude. No revenue. And what does their balance sheet look like? They're sitting on $22 million in cash, which I'm sure is going to be eaten alive. What's their debt? Dude, they get $20 million in cash, zero revenue, and they're sitting on total liabilities of $225 million. Yeah, I'd be extremely skeptical of these guys, man. I wouldn't touch them. You might be able to get a little bounce or something, but they owe $220 million. They have zero revenue, and they've got $20 million in the bank, which is probably going to be eaten by their CEO over the next year. So I'm not touching it. But if you want to play it, man. I'd stick with your Tesla puts. I get so happy knowing I did the right thing by dollar cost average from Shiba 26 to 1060, up almost 300. Boom, baby. Life with Maine. Now that's what I'm talking about right there, dude. Look, dollar cost averaging is going to work very well, and Life with Maine just proved that point. Thanks, Brozinho. Samanino, I got you, man. Carding 2343. I'm a Terra Rebel developer. Pay $5,000 per day or else. Yes. Please don't stop. Don't stop developing. I'll give you whatever you want. Carding 2343, man. I'm telling you, the or else is what scares a lot of people out there. $10 to 30 cents. That's most people's portfolios right now. Dude, you're not even joking, Bronson. You're not even joking, man. So far, promises for LUNC, we are going to burn 2.5 trillion. We are going to burn. Devs I-1 paycheck and millions of development money, cough, bonuses. Dark Bro, don't summarize it that simply, man. Okay? I still have to come up with different videos and stuff and new things. If you summarize it that easily for people, they're just gonna, they're only gonna listen to you. And we need people to watch the video. But yeah, you pretty much nailed it right on the head, Dark Bro. Pretty much nailed it right on the head. Look, and that's not to say, right? That's not to say that it's not going to go back up right now. I know I would be tempted to, right? I would be tempted to, just like everybody else out there. If for some reason, you were in some position of power, okay? And I still don't know what the developers have developed. To me, it seems like they went out there and copy and pasted code on GitHub for a lottery and just integrated it with the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. That's like the only thing that I've seen develop so far. And nobody can actually tell me what they've developed. So knowing that is kind of strange. But nonetheless, dude, if you and your group of 5 friends saw a $4 million duffel bag sitting there, and everybody else was like, well, we should have access to that duffel bag. You found it in our neighborhood. And you're like, no, me and my 5 friends found it. So it's ours. We should be in control of the duffel bag full of $4.16 million. No, it belongs to the neighborhood. Well, the neighborhood is stupid. The neighborhood doesn't know what it wants. We know what the neighborhood wants. We should be able to sit on the homeowners association board now and determine what the neighborhood wants. Yeah, dude, when you find a $4.16 million duffel bag full of cash right there, people do tend to get a little greedy when that stuff comes. Elon posted a Shiba picture. I gotta see this, Caesar. Doge up 10% today. Doge is up 9.5% right now. Yes, Doge is doing very well today. Coinbase going to survive. Ronnie, I hope so, dude. Let's actually look at Coinbase in a second here. Right after I say, Patrick, thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the water. Patrick, man, thank you. Thank you very much for the drink, Patrick. Patrick keeps me hydrated during the streams. Patrick, dude, thank you very much, man. Twoge to the moon, even, I didn't buy it, but something has to moon. Captain Fat, where do you even find these coins, man? This is a person who ran a business for years. I just can't believe that it's very hard to hear. I'm telling you, Dark Bro, it's very hard to hear. Wait, you look like you could use some coffee. Patrick, I can use some coffee, and I appreciate that, man. Will you partake in No Shave November? Probably not. I will probably have to shave my mustache at some point. It just, dude, it gets so wild and so annoying that I can't be sitting here like picking my nose when I got little mustache hairs going in it. But I should have shaved yesterday if I was going to start fresh in November. But I did not do that. Clay, I'm late to the party. Any news on Luna? Champagne Poppy. Not anything other than what I posted in the video this morning. If you didn't watch the video, you can go ahead and watch it, but it's basically 2 things going on. Remember that company that said they were going to burn 2.5 trillion Terra Luna Classic? Well, now they said that they've got a developers fund for $55 million. Very strange that they always seem to be doing what is trending in the Terra Luna Classic community. So they say they got $55 million if developers are willing to develop and integrate Lithosphere and Terra Luna Classic blockchains together. And then another proposal a petition by Matt Perry, which is actually a really good idea if they go along with it. I highly doubt the centralized exchanges go along with it, but he wants all centralized exchanges to agree that if all centralized exchanges implement the burn tax, all centralized exchanges will implement the burn tax. It will basically cut out any competition between exchanges. So we're going to see how that plays out. But, dude, if they can get that done, that would be an amazing opportunity to burn Shiba Inu coin. Guarding! CZ and Neblio working together. What's your take? Carding. So, quite possibly, but Neblio is a very small project in comparison to not only Binance, but Terra Luna Classic and, like, all of these other coins. So I don't know how closely Neblio and CZ would be working together, if at all, man. I mean, there is a chance that they could be, yes, but I don't know. Neblio dwarfs in comparison to the size of those companies, so that would be an interesting thing for me. Hey, give me a subtle indication of when I should get back into crypto. I'm open to winks over enunciating time frames. I will be listening closely. Peak of power. All right, this is very interesting because I am considering like starting to throw some more and beginning dollar cost averaging back in. I've been sitting in some USDC and sitting on the sidelines for a while. I still think we go lower. Okay? I still think we go lower. What we need to see are three things happening. One, earnings for stocks, earnings for companies beginning to rise again. I don't think it's going to be that easy during periods of high inflation and high interest rates. So that's going to be one major sign. Another major sign are both of those inflation and interest rates continuing to come back down, okay? There's a lot, if you read through a lot of the articles and a lot of the boring stuff out there that shows that the housing market, housing prices are beginning to fall again. Mortgage rates are above 7%, and it's the first time they've been that high, I believe, since 2002 is what I read. So that 20 years, man, 20 years we haven't seen mortgage rates above 7%, and now we're above 7% on mortgage rates. I honestly, I think we go into a period of not necessarily growth, but and not necessarily survival either. Like survival's a pretty hard word to use there, but I really do think that we could go into some depressionary times, man. I really do. If inflation and interest rates do not calm down and companies don't start making money, once the layoffs begin because of inflation and interest rates, it's going to be a very difficult period. Now, here's the thing, Pika, here's the thing. I really don't think that, and I'm trying to time it perfect. Like, and yes, guys, I'm buying now. I'm buying. Like, I have no problem telling you when I'm buying, right? But I know we're not going to be able to. And I know we're going to have to sit on some losses if we want to continue accumulating. And the idea is, well, man, why would I want to sit on another 50% loss? I could just wait until it goes down a little bit further. And I am sitting right there on the fence as to whether or not I should start right now and just go in weekly, go in monthly or something, and make some purchases and just eat this bear market and forget about it all. Or if I should just be a little bit more patient, because I honestly believe things will get worse before they get better. So yes, I will keep you updated. I am very close to beginning adding to my position, but it is with the idea and the thought that we're going to see some lower prices along the way. I just kind of want to start a little bit of a habit of continuing to add. Carding is dog season up again. What's your take on Dogebonk? So yes, dog season is doing very well right now because of Elon Musk and Twitter. I don't know what Dogebonk is, dude. What is Dogebonk? Hold on. I don't know what this is, man. It's a real coin, man. Oh, gosh. Hold on. Dogebonk, huh? We got a little Dogebonk here. Oh, boy. Dogebonk. How is this even possible? What did this go from? What did this go from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god. Dude, I don't know about Dogebonk, okay? I don't know about Dogebonk. But let me just use this as a carding 2343. Thank you for the perfect example, okay? Guys, look at this coin on the screen right here. This is Dogebonk, okay? This is Dogebonk on the screen. Think about that. Crazy name, right? Dogebonk. Dogebonk came out in late October of 2021 with, God, dude, a $0 market cap, okay? And it won over 100x in price. Over a 100x increase in Doge Bonk. That is a bull market. That is a bull. Here's what we're going to remember. Okay? Here's what we're going to remember. And we're going to apply this during the next bull market. This is actual learning time. And if I get greedy, hold me accountable. If you guys get greedy and I'm still normal, I will hold you accountable. But this might be, we might need to have Pudgy set a reminder for us in this one. I don't know if Pudgy's in here right now or not. We might need to have Pudgy set a reminder for us, since the dude is so good at reminding. When we see activity like this, okay, when we see a bull market that produces 100x gains in a 1020 last year on the date, 1020 to 1120, in a 1 month period, if we see 100x gains, over 100x gains in coins like Doge Bonk that are less than a month old, and this is like the entire market that is doing this, it's time to sell. It's time to sell. That is a perfect indicator that greed and confidence is way too high. We should not see coins like Doge Bonk 100xing in a 1 month period after release. And you guys can correlate this perfectly to the bear market beginning. This amount of greed and confidence cannot last. So if we see stuff like this happening, we have to either shave positions, take some profits, wait it out. Maybe we get out on the way up, sure, absolutely. But very quickly after, guys, the end of 2021 started the bear market. And this type of confidence is insane to me. So if we see Doge Bonk 2.3 coming out in 2023 and it's 100xing, along with all of the other coins that are out there, we're going to have to take a rational viewpoint and say, all right, well, we learned from the last bull market. We learned from the last bull market that this type of greed, this type of confidence cannot be sustained. And we're going to be watching that. Absolutely. Carding, man, thank you very much for letting us know about Doge Bonk. Hi, Clay, bro. How are you? I'm doing good, Chris. Is it too late to buy Dogecoin? So look, yeah, Chris, I don't think it's too late to buy Dogecoin, man. I truly don't. Dogecoin sitting around that 14-cent level, trying to bounce off and coming back down from 14.2 down to 13.7 at the moment, and the volatility has definitely been in. Now, on the daily chart, we can see that over the last couple of days here, it has been doing phenomenal, and this is still a very bullish pattern on the daily chart. I mean, look at this. There's nothing here to indicate that it's even slowing down yet. We're just tapping some resistance levels, dude, but the strength is still there. All we're doing is tapping resistance levels. So it still does look very bullish on a daily chart. But one of the reasons you can see some major gains in Dogecoin is if Elon actually does implement any sort of Dogecoin integration into the Twitter platform. We haven't seen that yet. We're just bouncing on speculation. We're bouncing on hype right now. If the hype dies, yes, it's too late. It might be too late to get it. If Elon actually does something with Twitter and Dogecoin, we're going to see some more gains there. So it's going to be very heavily dependent on what Elon Musk does, yes. But I guess, dude, the best we can do is sit back and wait and see what he ends up doing. Overall market having a very difficult day today, guys. Treading water around that 275, 276 level that we're currently at. It was a wild time. I also held Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10 Inu. It had some decent pumps back in the day. These coins were pumping left and right. Oh, gosh, and carding. Yes, man. Yes, those coins, there were literally, you could just have your pick of which coins were pumping and so on. But I had never heard of Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic, Eat 10, Eno. That's a good one, man. Did you make any money on that? LUNC chart following the NASDAQ chart this morning. Down, down, and early round. LUNC and the NASDAQ going down, swing in. What's the difference between a bull market and a bear market? Sorry if this is a stupid question. No, decline, man. Decline. It's not a stupid question at all. So, and it doesn't make sense, right? If you don't know what bull and bear markets are, they're just up and down markets. So a bull market is when the market is going up. I don't know who came up with the term bulls and bears, but bulls are people who want to see the price go higher. Bears are people who want to see the price go lower, okay? If you've got a bull market, things are doing very well. It's going up. The graph is looking good. Earnings are growing. Everything is conducive to growth. A bear market is when everything is conducive to loss. So earnings are falling. The market environment is tough. Basically, you think about the graph. If the graph is going up, it's a bull market. If the graph is going down, it's a bear market. Bullish and bearish are two very simple terms that you're going to want to get used to using or acquainted with. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. But for some reason, instead of saying up and down, people say bullish and bearish. It would be easier if you just said up and down. I completely agree. But bullish and bearish, man, is what they use. So bull is up, bear is down. And that's not a dumb question, man. That's not a dumb question at all. No such thing as a dumb question. Last bull market, even the crappiest crypto coins ran, even though you had to go to the neighborhood dealer in the metaverse on 3rd Street to get it. Exactly, Dark Bro. This is very true, man. What are your thoughts on Lily Finance? 2 confirmed T1 exchanges waiting to launch an approved 501c3 status. Janet, Lily, man, I don't know. Didn't they have a bunch of problems? Weren't they like scammers when they first came out? I remember them having a ton of problems in 2021, but I never looked into them. I was just like, so many people said they were so glad they never got involved with Lillian Finance. So I have not looked into them at all, but I do remember in 2021 they pretty much rug pulled, right? Hey, Pika, how you been? Yorkie, I did. So I know I missed something. The Bulls run, the Bears hibernate. There you go, Emma D. What's going on with Tonic? What's the big hype about it? There's no burn in the system. Yeah, Champagne Boppy. So there is no burn in the system for Tectonic, right? But people are excited about Tectonic because it's very cheap in price, and it does have a very low market cap. So if you're looking at Tectonic here, you can see that the market cap is only $17 million. Now, it can already, I believe it's like a 10 or 20x increase before it gets back to the prices that it was at before. But nonetheless, a $17 million market cap could see 100x gains, and you're still going to be sitting at a $1.7 billion market cap. So fantastic gains are possible if Tectonic grows. Now, you might be thinking, why would Tectonic grow if it doesn't have any burns? Well, when you have such a low market cap, you don't necessarily need burns to see the price increase. The price still has a lot of room before it reaches like $1 billion market cap or even close to it. So you could 10x and get to a $170 million market cap. Now, I haven't done a ton of research on Tectonic or anything, but I do know that they are like a financial lender, and that's where they're trying to gather their utility. They were doing very well after introduction, and their interest rates were extremely high. Now they are much lower because they're much lower in value, and not as many people are interested in buying and trading Tectonic. So you can see here that they were soaring in value, and now they're down like 90+% at the moment. And staking rewards they're not there right now. So staking rewards are low. The price is extremely low, but you could absolutely see that value increase if the price decides to even get back to where it was before at this 0.000038 level, like a 20x increase from where we're at right now. But nonetheless, dude, if you're talking a $1 billion valuation, you're talking $17 billion valuation, you're 1,000xing. You're just reaching $17 billion. So there's a lot of potential there, is why people are so interested in it. Happy Life! My birthday is this Saturday. I hope to get you to sing. Yes, Hemi Life. I don't know if I will be singing on Saturday, but I will certainly be singing to you on Friday. Somebody remind me that Hemi Life's birthday is on Saturday, please. I really want to sing to Hemi Life. We got to make sure that Hemi Life gets the best birthday ever. Yes, Hemi Life. Facts on that, man. Somebody remind me about Hemi Life's birthday on Saturday. On Friday, remind me, and we will be singing to Hemi Life. I will do it, Hemi Life. I will do it. Pig, speaking encyclopedia language this morning. Yes, I'm doing great, Kling. Glad to see you in here. She is carnivorous mammals of the family. Oh my gosh, man. Bears are also furry. Yes, they are, Pika. Yes, they are. We're just going to trust Pika on that one. Carding, I made some profit. By the way, where is Donkey Kwan? Probably at his house hiding out, man. That would be my bet. My best guess is at his house hiding out right now. I'm loading up on every low market cap coin I can find, not blowing hundreds of dollars, but I'm getting in and expanding my buying ability. I need Trust Wallet or something. A lot of tokens on BNB. Yeah, there are a lot of tokens on BNB. Be careful with the tokens on BNB though. I'd probably say 90% of the Binance Smart Chain tokens are scams, and you know, the biggest threat you face during a bear market is that people will just fail to stay with the project. So Tectonic actually has a lot of people interested in it and still doing decent with a $17 million market cap. But if you look at something like Elon buys Twitter, right? And Elon buys Twitter has gone over the last couple of days from like a $700,000 market cap to a $70,000 market cap. Very difficult for me to believe that these guys are going to stick with this coin and try to build a coin up and try to build the price up around a $70,000 market cap. Okay? If they do, I mean, you go drop $1 in EBT if you want, and maybe you're going to be able to make some serious money. This is like Shiba Inu coin valuations at the beginning of 2021. It really is. Shiba Inu coin, I think, was around $40,000. It jumped up to $40 billion. So you could absolutely make some money if people rally around this coin right here. But just as quickly, the guys who are behind this Binance Smart Chain token here, this EBT, they could just abandon the project and rebuild an EBT2, rebuild a Elon sells Twitter coin and go to that. There's so many things that they could just leave this thing behind and abandon it during the bear market and not care at all about it anymore. So definitely one of your biggest concerns buying these small coins during a bear market is, will they survive? Let's see. Which thoughts on Shibu? You mean Shiba? Jaden, I like Shiba Inu coin. Still got Shiba Inu coin. It was always the dovish hawkish thing that I didn't get. Then someone explained it to me. The religious symbolism of doves bringing prosperity while hawks laser focus their prey. FYI, we are the prey. Okay, I didn't know if that was the origin of it, but that's a decent explanation. Yes, MD. They named it EBT. People will be out here thinking they're buying. Yeah, they really will, and that's what I thought it was at first, man. But EBT is Elon buys Twitter. It's EBT coin, but they're getting in on Elon buys Twitter. I'm going to start a token that will break the internet. It will be called Clay Dark Pika, Simon Bronson, Simon Paul, oh my gosh, what? Paul Imahim, Genie, Champion, Nikki, Pudgy, E2 Bronson, Tim Bronson, Eno. I think people would buy it, Dark Bro. I think people would buy it, absolutely. Good day, Francis. Good day to you. Do you think LUNC would hit $1 before 2023? Deshaun, I do not. I don't think the Terra Luna Classic is going to hit $1 before 2023. Dollar valuation, man, gives it a $7 trillion market cap. We're not going to see that in the next 2 months, dude. We're not going to see $7 trillion in the next 2 months. That was fun last night, Pika. But geez, I was tired today. You guys Royal Rumbling all night long. How much LUNC do you own? So, carding, we typically don't talk about actual amounts in here. I will say it's a very small percentage of my portfolio, though. It's not a huge stake, man. I still think the Terra Luna Classic is extremely risky, and, you know, you invest accordingly, right? Sounds like a good coin. What would the ticker symbol for that? Yes, especially since Simon name was in there like twice. We need to know the ticker symbol on your coin there, Dark Bro. Please let us know the ticker for that coin there. Might be a very long one. The market continuing to come down today, guys. $274.98, hitting new intraday lows on the overall market here. The QQQ continuing to crumble today. It is down 274.90 at the moment, a 1.10% loss after being up over 1% at the morning or in the morning today. AMC, steady declines with nothing but losses across the board today. GameStop, nothing but losses across the board today. Shiba Inu coin still holding this 1,200 point per coin level of support very nicely. And it's currently sitting at 1267. The overall market, a lot of red today, though, guys. A lot of red today. Biora Therapeutics still in the green slightly, 1.50% higher. Everything else seemingly in the red. BIG about to drop back down into the red right now. And everything else seeing some pretty heavy losses across the board. I'm telling you, man, this market has been wild. And it seems like it really wants to come down. Let's see. I think this sticker will be a throw-up face with a biohazard. That could be a good one. What about the ticker symbol? Like what letters do you use for the ticker symbol? Let's see. Roulette wheel. What do you smoke? What? Roulette wheel smoking something? Luke to $1 in January of 2020. Let's hope so, man. Let's hope so. Oh no, Rozzy's back. I'm back. Rozzy's back, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on, Rozzy? Glad to have you in here. What is Shibarium? Is it to do with that game that came out? So, in a sense, yes, but not necessarily. So, Shibarium is a layer 2 blockchain. Layer 2 blockchains are built on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you think about the layer 1 blockchain being Ethereum, think about it like a highway, right? All the cars are driving on this same road right here, and it is just congested, man. Everybody's using Ethereum. There's so many tokens built on Ethereum that with all the use, it's just slow and expensive. Now, you can build a layer 2 blockchain on there, and it's like you jump on the expressway, now you're up here on a layer 2. You have none of the Ethereum traffic, you're paying different gas fees, and so on. It's a completely separate blockchain built on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, it will have to do with not the game that just came out, but they're building a blockchain version of the game. And that blockchain version of the game will be a play-to-earn game. So you're going to be able to play and earn Shiba Inu coin or potentially Treat or some other token that they're going to try and integrate into the blockchain version of the game. But that will be built on the layer 2, the Shibarium blockchain. So you could trade any coin that's mapped out for a layer 2 blockchain on that blockchain. So it's not just Shiba Inu coin that will be traded on Shibarium, but anything that's mapped out for it can be traded on Shibarium. So it's basically it's its own blockchain, and the game will be integrated into it. Now the time is to just stock up on everything the rest of the year. I don't see a bull market until maybe spring 2020. Yeah, so Lorenzo, I don't think we're gonna get a bull market towards the end of this year. One of the major catalysts that we've got left on the board are midterm elections, right? And we know that's a major catalyst because any type of political change could be good or could be bad for the overall market. And here's my prediction, if you want to know. I don't think it's going to be good. I don't think, even if people get the results they want, there's going to be people who don't get the results that they want. And I think it's going to lead to a lot of fighting. So I don't think it is going to be good at all for the markets. I think it's going to lead to a lot of problems, man. So even if you get the results that you want during the midterms, I don't think it's going to be good for the market. I think it's going to cause a lot of problems along the way. So I'm still thinking it's going to be a bearish catalyst there. Genie B, I remembered I was going to ask for a King Hula Hoop. Genie, oh, I'm so glad that you remembered now, Genie. King Hula Hoop is ready to go. Are you ready, Genie? Ooh, hula hoop. Ooh, hula hoop. Ooh, hula hoop. Ooh, hula hoop. Genie B, thank you very much for the King Hula Hoop. I know that it's got to be, it's not your favorite one. Going upside down is still your favorite one. But yes, there's King Hula Hoop for you. Carding! I'm making a coin called a rug pull. Will it pump? Actually, let's see if rug pull will pump, man. Because there is a rug pull token out there. And I think it actually did pretty well. Okay, so totally a rug pull. Totally a rug pull is the name of this coin right here. And can it pump? I don't know. This one never pumped, man. They came in a little late on this one. They came in during the bear market. They came in during the bear market on this one. And totally a rug pull. Doesn't necessarily seem like a rug pull at a $4.8 million valuation. My gosh, dude. Dude, this just goes to show me, with a $4.8 million valuation, we need to start Brocoin. This coin's got a $4.8 million valuation in a massive bear market. We need to start Brocoin, dude. We need to start Brocoin. Oh my gosh. We need to start Brocoin for sure. Genie B! Yes, that is definitely, I don't know why. You want to stretch my neck out, but I got you, Genie B. Oh, GDB, thank you very much for the super stick. I gotta make sure I don't come up too fast like that. I'm getting dizzy. GDB, thank you very much for that super sticker. Chipbro Inu for the win, man. Chipbro Inu for the win on that one. Or, yeah, we need Brocoin. We need something to come out, man. $5 million valuation. Could you imagine just splitting a $5 million valuation between everybody in here? How many 100,000 we get? We get like 80,000 each. Yeah, man, $70,000 between the 75 of us in here. I'll take it. I'll take it, man. We need to start Brocoin as soon as possible. Nope, the ticker symbol will be titled Scam. Dark, bro. People will still buy it, man. They will still buy it. You know what? Ernest, I don't know when the FOMC talks. Let's take a look at that. We can call it Brock for short, because we all are these days. Brocks? We're all Brocks, man. I like it. We're all Brocks, dude. Brocoin must come to fruition. Ethereum blockchain or Binance blockchain? We'll all be filthy rich. Clay bro could be the biggest movement in history. Let's do it, man. Bro cars, bro clothes, bro hotel, bro resort. I mean, the potential is limitless. It really is, dude. Like, the idea of bro, we could capitalize on the idea of being bros, man. Brotherly love, it's definitely something. For Pika King Monkey hula hooping while eating a banana. Dude, you guys are getting wild on these $2 super chats with all your emojis right now. King Monkey hula hooping while eating a banana. That's the best I got on that one, man. You know that was actually a really good one. I felt good doing that one. I felt good doing that one right there. You know that one is good. Let's see. At this point, with the possible regulations coming, it wouldn't be a bad idea to start like 10 coins with random niche names and just wait to see which one catches on. MD, that's not a bad idea at all. Just getting it out there, getting it started before the regulations do come out so that you've already got it in place. And then you won't have to worry about it. You won't have to worry about, regulations keeping you out of the game if they do decide to regulate the market in a very heavy way. Man, I like the way MD thinks, for real. Sorry, broke. Oh, gotcha. Broke, man. Broke. Ah, jeez. What type of skills are broke today, too? Clay, bro. Gorilla Invictus. Oh, man. You gotta speak prosperity, dude. Don't be speaking this broke stuff. I feel broke though, I'm telling you. That was awesome. I did feel pretty good, Pika. It did feel pretty good. Eating banana while hula hooping and acting like a king monkey. I don't think it gets any better than that. Full-out exercise regimen for Clay Bro is the monkey hula hoop. You guys should try it. Zomedica. Oh my gosh, I haven't heard the word Zomedica in a long time, man. You still in Zom? You want to look at Zom? The Clay Bro. What coins do you own? The Clay Bro. That one could catch on there. The Clay Bro. Besides like a bunch of those small coins that probably went to zero that I bought at the end of 2021, I've got a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Ethereum, some Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu coin, Binance, I got BNB, I've got some USDC, and VGX, and Zcash. I think that's all I got, aside from some of those little coins that are probably absolutely worthless right now. The ones that are worthless, I don't even remember which ones I got. I just bought a bunch of little coins that are worthless. Oh, God, dude, yeah. So my Raven coin is on another trust wallet. I do have Raven coin as well. Dude, thank you for reminding me on that one. And I got a little bit of a Ethereum Classic because I mined Ethereum Classic for a while. I forgot about that wallet. Yes, so I do also. God, Dark Bro's keeping tabs, man. I do also have Raven coin and some Ethereum Classic because both of those were mineable coins and very profitable to mine. I actually forgot about those. Dang, man, I got too many coins. I need to start selling these coins. No Dogecoin at the moment, okay? I did partake a little bit in the rally over the last couple of days. I used it as a very small trade and made some money on a short trade there, but I do not own any Dogecoin at the moment. Razi for peak of power, thrusts and hips while eating. This dude, man. This dude. Yes, we got the hot dog. We got the hot dog. You dip the hot dog, and then you shove the hot dog. See, when you add all of these different things in there, it doesn't last as long. So you guys got so many different movements going on right now. The super chats are just really, really quick super chats when you have multiple movements like that. So there's eating a hot dog, yes, but then a king who eats a hot dog while thrusting hips, it's getting crazy. Yeah, so it's getting crazy when you start asking for so many things there. Lottery Inu is another one. Let's see. I got Doge at 6 cents, still holding. Nice. Dude, Keith is a champ, man. Keith killed it on his Mullen Auto plays. Keith, I'm pretty sure Keith killed it on IMPP, Imperial Petroleum, as well. Destroying it on Dogecoin right now. Yes, Keith. Congratulations, man. I really like it. Really. I'm going to add time frame to it. It's things to think about, man. Things to think about. Why is your name Clay Bro? Why not Iron Bro, Gold Bro, Tungsten Bro, Sodium Bro, or anything else? No, I wasn't going for like an element. I wasn't going for an element or natural resource there. My name is Clay. Therefore, Clay Bro. Gold Bro does sound pretty cool. Iron Bro, I like it. It's kind of like an Iron Man, but the bro version of Iron Man. It's a very interesting question, Carding. Out of all the questions that anybody has ever asked me, that is not one of them. Dogelon Mars, staying strong. Can we say it's safe to buy? Yoli Ware, Dogelon Mars staying strong. I haven't looked at Dogelon Mars in a while. So let's take a look at that really quick. I was never interested in buying Dogelon Mars. Okay? I know a lot of people were, and it has been a pretty popular coin. Doing very well since Elon Musk is buying Twitter here. Dogelon Mars is up over the last week or so. Basically doubling in price on some decent volume. $68 million traded on October 28th there. So definitely some interest in Dogecoin Mars right now. It is staying strong, and it's staying above the previous lows that it hit. Is it safe to buy? Here's what you're looking at the current price. You can see that tapping this current price is a resistance level, okay? Resistance in this area, slight resistance in this area right here. So if you're buying, buy on the breakout, and you might run into some more resistance at the, I don't know, 700 point per coin level right here. So that would be something you want to watch out for. But hey, if you ride it from 400 to 700 points, you're still making a solid gain there. If you expect to ride it back up to some of these all-time highs, okay, awesome. I hope you make it. But Dogecoin Mars, it's a pretty strong meme coin, but a meme coin nonetheless. So definitely keep that in consideration if you are buying it there. What is this, man? Pika Power, thank you very much for the king who eats watermelon. Thank you very much. God, you guys are wild, man. Thank you very much for the king who eats watermelon right there. Rozzy, that one was for you, or whatever that one is. And, yes, we've got a watermelon eating king. It hurts to know that I knew about Bitcoin when it came out and did nothing about it. I'm telling you, if I could go back in time, tell myself right now, be like, oh, yeah. Could you imagine if everybody went back in time? And everybody bought Bitcoin in like 2010, 11, 12. It would have been absolute wild, man. This coin out of nowhere all of a sudden has a bunch of time travelers coming in and buying it and shooting it up in value immediately after release. Would have been very scary. Dark Bro, I have per paper chip portfolio I made in a finance class 2013. Held a Bitcoin at 300-ish. I really wish I would have actually bought that portfolio. Yeah, that would have been an amazing one. Gosh, man. Let me just tell you this, though. Buying anything in 2013 would have been lucrative. Not just Bitcoin. You would have benefited very well. And that shows you the time value of money. Over great periods of time. 10 years is a long time, right? But it's not your lifetime. Over great periods of time, you can make some great returns. And it just doesn't have to be. Just, you know, when time is on your side like that, you are going to make gains. So in 2013, you would have been getting Facebook at $20 a share. You know, you would have been getting Apple. I don't know what it was in 2013, much less than now. You would have been getting Disney at probably $20 a share. There would have been so many different opportunities as time goes on. So use that as a lesson that time is on your side. Hi, all. And yes, I'm back. Sarah Desta Crew. Yeah, good afternoon. For Pika, thrust and hips while eating. Must keep going for 30 seconds. Oh, gosh. All right, we got you. We got you on this one. Pika, this one's for you. Eating a hot dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ow! Oh, eating that hot dog right there. Rozzy, yes, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. That's a lot of hip work. That's a lot of hip work for today. So many hula hoops, so many hot dogs. Auto bro, we got freedom, baby. We've got the freedom. Nice, Auto bro. I like it. Liberty, freedom. Is that what we got going on with that one? Dark bro. Thank you for the super chat. I could even go back and gather the bros and start Brocoin, and we would be billionaires. Billionaire. God, man, I don't even know if I would want to be a billionaire. Would you want to be a billionaire? That's just too much money on that one, man. That's just too much money on that one. Too much. Yeah, that is. That's not cheating, dude. I had to get it done. I counted to 30. You said count to 30, man. You said count to 30. Me too, Pika. Me too. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying on that one. Me too. Yeah, hey, if anybody ever does travel back in time, let me know, okay? Let me know that you've traveled back in time. I don't know how you're going to let me know, but just let me know that you are from the future, and I'll believe you. I'll believe you on that one. It's a hula hoop hip morning. Yes, it is. I'm all in for Brocoin. SD, all in for Brocoin. It means we got to make it happen, guys. It means we got to make it happen. Let's see who would be all in for Brocoin. Let's see if you guys would be in for Brocoin. There's 66 people in here. I feel like the majority would say yes, but we're about to find out. About to find out if the majority would say yes or no. Nope. Not what I wanted. This one. What is this? What is this? I gotta see what this is. Just hold on. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Separate chat now? What did you guys do? Well, hold on. What did you guys do? Let's figure out what this is first, because now I got... Is this a question? Yeah, it's Q&A. No, I get that, but why is the chat not coming in? I still have some chat coming in through Streamlabs, and I have some chat coming in through YouTube right here. So you... Okay, so you guys basically... I know this is a question. But you guys basically just clicked on something and it pulled up a different chat box for you? Or... Huh. I don't know what this is. It's not bringing your chat up over here. And then this Q&A doesn't seem like a Q&A. It seems like a... completely separate chat. Could you imagine if I only answered questions that were in the Q&A right here? Oh gosh, like every other person that streams. All right, so taking that off, back to the normal chat, and then I want to take... Oh, let's take that poll, and while you're answering that poll, I will answer Carding's super chat there. Okay. All right, you guys got that one right there. Answer that poll right there if you can. Carding! Thank you very much for the super chat. If you were to convince someone of buying some degenerate crypto gambler coin like rug pull or Harry Potter Bro Obama Sonic, how would you do the shilling? Probably in the most reasonable form possible, man. I would just allow them to know that it's extremely risky and they can make a lot of money. Look, that's basically all of these small coins, right? All of these small coins that you're looking at are extremely risky. And like Shiba Inu coin was, if you throw some comparisons in there, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin and so on, and the success that they've had, and the success that previous coins have had, and show them the possible success that is involved with buying a coin like rug pull or Harry Potter Obama Sonic, then they can make the determination for themselves if they want to take that risk. If you've got a risk to reward ratio out there and you know you're risking $10 on a $30,000 market cap coin, but your reward potential, if it ever does catch on, even if it's a joke and catches on, your reward off that $10 could be, $800,000 in gains. People are going to be inclined to take that $10 risk. People are willing to risk very small amounts if they have the slightest chance to win a very large amount. And you can just look at the lottery, for example. People go out there and you buy $1, $2 tickets all day long to win $100 million, $200 million, $500 million, and your chances of winning are like 1 in 172 million, man. And you're basically never going to get that dollar back. The difference in cryptocurrencies, okay, well, even if the crypto starts to dump, you still might be able to get $1 out of your $10 back. You're probably going to be better off than in the chances of hitting it big are better than 1 in 172 million. So there's benefits to it, but nonetheless, you have to know it's a risk. Let's see. Who would get doxxed for Brocoin? That's just all the stuff you got to figure out, man. All the stuff you got to figure out. Claybro, that would work well with private info, like addresses, so it keeps it anonymous. Oh, did you guys not see what everybody else was typing? Pika, you couldn't see what everybody else was saying in there? You could only ask a question? Somebody let me know about that, because that would work pretty well. If you guys could not see. I could see everything that was being typed in there, but I don't know what you guys could see. I got a $100 start for the Brocoin. Nice. Buy Brocoin in a second. Let's get started. No, look, man, I know it's a lot of work to start a coin, right? It's a lot of work to start a token and all of that stuff. And I wouldn't just want to start one without an actual plan to start the coin and all of that. But yeah, dude, look, if you've got rug pull sitting at a $4 million valuation, then clearly you can grow anything in these cryptocurrency markets. Man, all right, so you couldn't actually see anything. That would be excellent then. Oh, bro, that goes straight out. Well, shoot, man. That's better. I still want people to join the Discord, but that is a pretty easy way to get that out there then. It's private Q&A. Nice. Private Q&A. Interesting. Now we could actually take advantage of that. That would be a very good anonymous way to do some for the giveaways, just to get it right off the bat right there. And no, it could be a place for people to ask questions if for some reason they're afraid to ask questions or whatever. But let's see what we got here. 83% say yes. Ending the poll already, 30 votes in. Very nice, guys. 83% say yes. Coin with integrity would be unheard of. Yeah, coin with integrity probably would be a little unheard of. People wouldn't even know what to do with it, man. People wouldn't even know what to do with the coin with a little bit of integrity. If you want to shill anything, you do the anti-shill. You ever heard of that Claybro coin? Yeah, you probably won't go anywhere, but I hear they have a fun community. People start throwing money around. The little reverse psychology is what Emma D is calling there. We need to do some reverse psychology and people who just start dumping their money. Same thing. Oh, Tectonic is dead. It's low. LUNC is dead. Let's jump in. Shiba Inu coin is dead. Let's jump in. It does seem like the reverse psychology does work very well. Should invest in a Ro coin once. I had some. There you go, Declan, man. We'll get some money. We'll get it going on. That'd be a great way to make bets for... Yes, it would, Vika. Vika is loving the Royal Rumble, man. I love it. Yo, Tim is in the house. Tim, you're first, you're last, you're all of it. You can launch a token on LUNC for basically $0 in 2 minutes. I don't know if I'd want it on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain or if the Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain token would be better, but that would be interesting to see growth alongside the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. That might not be a bad idea. 1,000 pounds if you start to Grizzo, let's go, man. Let's get it. Okay, we'll start it at some point. Not gonna be today, but anyway, guys, 104 already. We're gonna get off for now. We'll get the shout outs going, and then we will be back with the afternoon live stream. Appreciate everybody supporting the bro coin there. The idea behind it, at least, and maybe one day. Because look, here's my thought process on it. Get your names in the chat. We'll do the shout outs, but here's my thought process on it. If you started during the bear market, okay, and if a small group of people are willing to hold the coin through a bull market, what you're going to see on the graph, you're going to have a history of sustained price action. Not necessarily a dump off, not necessarily rising prices, but if you got people that were committed to holding it, even if it's a very small group of people, the price history will show stability. And if you've got that price stability shown through a bear market, when the bull market does come and people start to see, dude, this coin held up during a bear market, this actually could be a decent investment, not just some pump and dump. And they'd be more willing to buy it and pump it at that point. So it could have a benefit of being started during a bear market. Carding hydrogen, bro. So you're saying I should throw $100,000 to the next crypto Deegan coin of the week? Thanks. Carding, man. Carding. If you've got $100,000 to throw at any of those small coins, yes, you could see a nice 100x gain, taking you to a $10 million investment in a very short period of time if the market conditions are right and the coin is not a scam. So the risk is high, man. The risk is very high. But you could absolutely see some crazy rewards taking you to like top 1% of the world status. So do with it what you will, man. Do with it what you will. We'll get the shout after I say, Genie B! Why do my horns move? I don't know why my horns... Genie B, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh my gosh. We got SDS 1,000 for Brocoin. I got $500 for Brocoin. Grizzo got 1,000. Man, everybody's got Brocoin. I like it. We'll have to get Brocoin out there at some point, man. Dark Bro, shout out to you. Pika Power, Sarah Stick Roy, Old Rounder, JB, Hemi Life. Got 300. Hemi Life's got 300 if we start. We're definitely starting. Dude, we could have a massive. Think about the valuation. Honestly, think about the valuation if there was like $10,000 in sales and we sold I don't know, 1% of the coin. You're already at $1 million valuation, man. You're already $1 million valuation. So we could definitely see some big things going on for Brocoin right there. Shout outs to JB, Hemi Life. We got Pika Power, Mr. Simon, Tim, Gorilla, Mr. Big, Declan, Lorenzo, J Bones, not J Brones. Keith Kemp, Carding, Forgot My Cup, peace out to you, DD214, you're gonna use Brocoins to buy bananas and hot dogs. That you can. Genie B, shout out to you, Genie B. Dark Bro, Forgot My Cup, Francis, Pika Power, later friends, go Brocoin, let's get it, SD, Dark Bro, JB, Carding, all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.